Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from MyTutorialRack.com. In this tutorial, we are going to create a brand new developer's account. So in order to do that, we will go over to developer.salesforce.com/signup. And once you go here, it will ask you to provide your first name, last name, your email address, your job role. Let's say we do architect here. Company name, we will do MyTutorialRack. Country region, we will pick up United States here, and then state Texas, and postal code is 75071. And then here we'll say Einstein Bot at MyTutorialRack.com. Okay. So this is your Einstein Bot username. I'm going to save it somewhere. And then we are going to agree to terms and conditions and hit sign me up button. Now you have to wait few minutes to receive this email, and then it'll ask you to verify your account, and then we will be able to change our password, and then we will be able to log in. So let's go over to my email account here. So finally, we received an email from Salesforce. We'll go ahead and click on verify account, and not sure why this page started coming up, but don't worry, after a few minutes, it'll automatically change over to change password. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of issues with Salesforce, so it's kind of hard for me to kind of create a course because something starts to fail, and it is not because of something I did, it's just the Salesforce bug. So bear with me and try learning it. I know it's sometimes it gets very annoying, but that's how it is. Since we're using developer's account, we don't have those many licenses to play around with it. So it's okay to have these small challenges. It makes it worth completing. You can see here automatically it goes over to change password, and now here we are going to provide our password. And then hit the change password button. I'm going to see you in the next video. There is nothing I can do here to create this developer's account because this is more of a Salesforce bug. So I'll just wait here until I'm able to log in. I'll try a couple more times here. Otherwise, I'll set up a new developer account for you. Okay, so stay tuned to the next video. In that next video, we will set up our Einstein bot. Thank you very much.